Johnson Valley, California.
Hey, what's up guys? Thanks so much for checking in on the channel. Previously, we had a lot of issues with our Toyota Tacoma's transmission, and we spent the last episode piecing together a transmission out of junk parts. The weeks leading up to this have been absolutely brutal. With one problem after another, we've just tried to keep our heads above water and get this thing working. To make matters worse, the time I spent trying to fix the Toyota Tacoma was supposed to be dedicated towards making our toter home more comfortable and more reliable, and all of that got skipped.
It's starting to look pretty cool in here, like a fort, which is what I was going for. It's not supposed to be fancy. It's supposed to be like cabin feel, and it'll get better over time. But I got this cool, what's my knife? That's not a knife. No, it's a brush. What a man always carries a knife brush.
So here we are, final day. We got one afternoon to get this thing comfortable and reliable. We ran through it, did the belts, the oil, the filters, everything, and I think I'm about ready to risk an 18-hour journey from Washington State to California.
Oh my gosh. That is pathetic looking. You gotta get it wet and it'll grow. That sucks. That thing takes up a shitload of space too, my goodness. Okay, so I got the cushions off here. This goes right back on. You can see I put a little L bracket down there to hold the couch in place. Just enough room so that this thing, it kind of rubs on the wall, but you just slide it down. It's just perfect. It could lean back a little bit more, but then the further lean back it goes, the further out here it is. So we want to save as much room as possible. This couch is really, really easy to disassemble. It's starting to feel real cozy in here, like it looks nice. There. Bed can't move. Go ahead and put this. I got all my blankets under there for storage. So I've got these storage cabinets, and I'm starting to load them up with gear. Super cool. I never used to be able to carry all this kind of stuff. Tools. I just went all out, just got a bunch of new stuff that lives in here. We got fire logs, paper towels, impact set, cleaning supplies, screws, because it's still kind of going to be a project, so I'm just going to leave some construction stuff in here, just in case, like some caulk and whatnot, foam. Yeah, she's coming along. This thing's still not blowing up at all. This might be the most responsible thing I've ever done. I know, I'm gonna be glad I did it. Sweet. Good morning, everybody. It is day one. We're headed out soon, not quite yet, but soon, to Hammers 2022. I'm so stoked. This is exciting. I got the toter home pretty well prepped. I'm gonna show you guys in a bit. Luke's here, he's coming with me, he'll be my co-pilot today, and I'm not sure exactly what our game plan is for the drive. We've talked about just driving straight through and kind of rotating sleep so we can be there in 20 hours, but this is the first real big adventure. I mean, we did one adventure and this thing was very much still a project, it's full of junk, but now she's coming together. We got some camping supplies there. We don't have a kitchenette built yet, but kind of set up some temporary stuff, and seats are in, bed couch is in, got all Luke's gear, another bed over here. We might put a dirt bike inside. Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Short bed Tacoma.
Yeah, look at that though. We could fit totally. I was curious if it would fit lengthwise. Bikes are so damn long.
It's gonna work.
Oh, that's dope, dude.
Dude, we'll be fine.
There, you got your seat. Are you comfortable? Dude, this is legit. You got your bike.
Set up.
Yeah, all right.
Let's hear this thing hum.
I had to put this window in. It's plexiglass. Isn't that crazy? Navigate to Johnson Valley, California. 17 hours and 24 minutes. Easy stroll.
Yeah, we could do that in a day.
We could do that in a day.
We could do that today.
We'll be there this time tomorrow.
Probably fine.
It's probably fine. I haven't driven with it yet, but all right. So much quieter. Alrighty.
You're gonna love it, man. I'm telling you, it's a totally different experience in an RV. All right, there we go. It's Oregon. It's chugging along up the pass. It cannot go fast up the pass. I think it's
35.
35 if you're going up a steep grade, but this is pretty steep. It gets there. This is steep though.
Grants Pass, right? We're almost there.
This would be fine right now. It's just slow. But so are semi trucks.
No, they're not. Dude, they're passing us on the left. Everyone's on the left.
This thing's a beast.
That's a Sunday. It's not.
Keeping D. There we go.
Okay.
I'll see it.
Yeah, we want 3. Three's magic.
I wonder what 1 does.
You want to find out? I think this hasn't been cleaned in a while.
It doesn't have its own sprayers, so it gets extra dirty. For 10 grand, you can't beat it.
Keep saying that until it costs you 10 grand to tow it back.
Don't jinx us, man. That's gonna.
36 gallons right now.
Yep, that's about what I was expecting. Let's see what the damage is on pump 6.
What's up, bud?
Hey, how you doing?
You guys going to play or going home?
Oh, we're headed to play. We're going to Johnson Valley, California.
Johnson Valley, where the hell's that?
It's Southern California.
Oh, you're way down there.
Big desert area. There's a big off-road race. We're just spectating, but we bring the crawler.
Down by Mojave.
I'm just curious what we spent.
$165.
All right, not bad, not bad. All right, well, thank you so much. You have a good day. Yeah, thank you.
Have a good one.
Yeah, you too.
Yeah, they're about $1 or $2 for sure.
You guys have fun.
Yeah, hey, thanks. Enjoy those trails. 165 for that fill up. Is it terrible? Like, is it bad? Is it good?
Well, it took us $160 to get here, and that's about 6 hours from wherever we left. I don't know what the miles are.
Yeah, is that bad or is that good?
It's 30 cents cheaper here.
Figure out.
We'll figure it out. We'll get the math. We're gonna get the math.
These need Velcro, is what I'm discovering. So we can stick them there. I was on the laptop trying to do some edits while sitting here, and it was really nice because you were driving, but I was getting kind of RV sick or whatever you'd call it.
Yeah, you were walking around. You just gotta sit down.
I was like,
He's like, hey, I gotta fix this. Let me wrap this
and
up.
I'm like sweeping the floors, like mopping. All right, my guy. Ho, 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 ho. Were you sleeping already?
Yeah,
That beer made you sleepy.
it always does. I'm such a party animal when it comes to drinking. I should have practiced.
Why do you look like you're going snowboarding?
It's cold. You're like flying through the air in a tin can. This thing's cold.
I'm cooking up there.
Yeah, well,
It's hot.
it only has heat up front.
Yeah, dude, it fits like a gem, bro.
My bike.
Look at this, guys. We're at. Look at this. It's so cool. What's up, fellow truckers? Yeah. You got a truck. We got a truck. It's a little different than overlanding, that's for sure, but I will say that the hours have flown by. Luke, haven't the hours flown by?
Yeah.
We've been driving for like 12 hours. And it's like,
Yeah, we're only a quarter of the way there.
but like my body feels good. Like I don't feel like I've been cramped. I mean, the Raptor's super comfortable, but like,
It's just
You know?
nice to get up and like stand up and walk around.
Yeah, it's nice to stand up, grab a snack, lay down.
Makes peeing in a bottle a lot easier.
Yeah, we don't have a toilet yet, so he's got to pee in a bottle. No, I peed in a bottle, but dude, look how comfortable you're gonna be.
I'm gonna be so comfortable in like 2 minutes.
This will be my first night in the bed, so. We'll see you there.
You wanna check the oil?
Yeah, why not?
Jeez.
Big long one. Smells good. It's brand new. I mean, we just did the fluids.
Your oil's fine.
Okay, oil's good. We have a mysterious beeping from the dash, but no lights, nothing. The only thing we could find was an empty coolant reservoir. We got a little drip here. We put some water in it, but the beeping's still going on. So, kind of weird. Yeah, I don't know what to do if I can't find it. See any oil leaks anywhere, but for a hot engine, that's definitely on the low side.
Yeah. Did you touch the filters down there?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's low on oil.
I say we add some oil. I took this off and there was some blow by, which is a little bit of smoke coming out of it. Let's for sure add oil before we blow this one up. So my oil pressure is good. You think if there was an alarm going off, there would be something on the dash for low oil or something, you know? Okay, so yeah, I guess we just take it easy, try to get to that gas station, get some oil in it. You would really think that it would give you a light, not just a beep. It would make sense if it ate some oil. I don't know how we could fix that, but I think the turbo's just eating it. Yeah, I really don't know much about diesel engines at all. I just know that that beep is annoying.
Oh, dude, there we go. This guy's know.
Huh. Oh, yeah?
Three in a convoy.
Okay, well, we made it to a gas station. We got oil. I'm hoping it's just a low oil alarm. Like a pre-alarm. The alarm before the alarm. It's definitely down in the low zone, though. Oh, a bumblebee. Hello, little cherub of wisdom and knowledge. Oh, be my friend. Oh, there's another one. They're coming to us.
That's true.
They're all around. Oh, hello.
It's not as much fun for me.
You're like, I'm actually allergic. All right, I got a bunch of oil. Let's put some oil in it. I think your tape job didn't work very well.
Oh, so that's my tape job now.
Well, yeah, you did the tape job.
Yeah, this will fix
It's pipe sealing tape.
duct tape.
It's pipe sealing tape.
Oh, dude, look at that wild animal. It's on the prow.
What?
What do you think it is?
It's some kind of badger. That's the California grassland badger. All right, well, we've been trying to discover what this weird beeping alarm is for the past hour or so. We topped off the oil, topped off coolant, looked all under the dash, changed the fuse. There's a couple relays under there. It could just be something like that. Like, it's weird that the check engine alarm, or the check engine light can come on but no alarm. But the alarm's on and there's no light. I don't know, what's this worse? I spoke to the mechanic that used to do all of the maintenance on this thing, and he had never heard of this problem, but he said, like, if all the gauges are good and all the fluids look good, then it's probably fine. It's probably just an electrical thing. Well, we're gonna try to go down the road somewhere and see what happens. It drives me nuts. Problem solved, we got it. I
I fixed the beep. Luke, thank you. Thank you for fixing that beep. It was driving me nuts.
Area 51, right around here. Last time I was here, there was drones tracking us. I assume they were just practicing their tracking skills, but they'll get right above the ground, right above the horizon, blend right in. It's pretty amazing.
Area 51. That beeping, I think it's driven me up and over the edge of sanity. I was just like, I was so mad, and now I was just like, F it. Team Moose Knuckle. Sup, fellow truckers? We're at the truck yard here. Moose Knuckle. She beeps. It's a thing she does. She rolls. You guys know anything about beeping trucks? Yeah! Okay, that sign said something about hammers. There's a truck. We're almost there, boys!
Oh, there's another
We're
one.
getting there. Oh, I wish I had a lighted whip.
Oh, you don't have a lighted whip?
I don't have a lighted whip. Oh, give it to me, baby. There it is. Yeah! This looks like it. All right. So yeah, let's just go to the gate because we're gonna have to get tickets and all that, and then we'll call up Nate. Oh, that's dope, dude. Oh, I love this car. I love this car. It's like all right, everybody. Sorry. All right, everybody. We made it. We're at King of the Hammers, and I'm actually, I don't want to say I'm surprised. I'm actually just impressed that we made it. Like, this whole week leading up to it has been such a nightmare. If you want a full rundown, check my Instagram page because I just wrote it all out. Like, but everything that could go wrong has gone wrong in the last 2 months, really. But the last week was just crazy, and that little alarm thing just really set me over the top. But we made it. It's all good. We're gonna go enjoy a nice campfire. It's the company of some good dudes, and tomorrow we're gonna start wheeling. This will be the official first episode of the King of the Hammer series, so check out the whole series because once this is over, it's all gonna be crammed into a playlist. If you guys haven't taken the opportunity to check out my playlists, they're a lot of fun because these are all series. This is what we do. So that's it for today's video. Got some work done this week, but don't forget to live by.
First, I gotta park my C10 up here like a boss.
That's why yeah.
This is the hard line.
God, if I film real close, maybe I could fake people out.
That's like the worst. Like, you on Facebook Marketplace?